When viruses infect a cell, the proteins produced in the cytosol by the virus can be degraded by proteasomes and transported into the ER through the TAP transporter. The presence of these peptides in the ER allows them to be loaded onto nascent MHC class I molecules and eventually transported to the surface of the cell, where they can be recognized by CD8 T cells. Certain viruses have developed strategies to prevent their detection by cytotoxic T cells. Many of these strategies involve preventing peptides derived from the virus from entering the ER and being loaded onto nascent MHC class I molecules. For example, the herpes simplex virus 1 encodes a protein, IPC47, that has the ability to block peptide binding to the cytosolic surface of the TAP transporter. In this way, transport of viral peptides into the ER is prevented. Consequently, these peptides cannot be loaded onto MHC class I molecules. This results in reduced expression of peptide-loaded MHC on the surface of the infected cell. The cell is not killed, and therefore the virus can replicate successfully.